Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing the total first impression of Madame Glam Star Cat Eye Gel, and I will be talking all about it in this video. So I'm starting off with a gel base coat. I'm using all the products from Madame Glam and I will have it listed in the description box below so you can check it out. But on their website it says that you need a black base color for this to work, so I'm applying black gel nail polish. I'm applying it in one coat. Fun part is when you're working with gel nail polishes is you can go back and forth with your strokes with your brush and perfect it until you're satisfied with the result, and it won't leave any strikes or anything like that, meaning it will just set, and once you cure it under UV or LED lamp you will have it fully dry. If you use nail polish, you will know that you cannot go back and forth because it will be messy, but with gels it's totally different story. So once you're satisfied, you go and cure it under your lamp, and you have all instructions on the bottle for how long you cure it. Then I'm going to use this Star Cat Eye Gel, which is amazing. This shade is called Pandora, and all other shades were sold out on their website, but I really like this Pandora shade as well, the name, and I love it. I mean, it's so pretty. Even though on their website they said that you need black as your base color, in my personal opinion, I don't think you really need it. I think you're very good to go with just Pandora, this like nail color. I applied the first coat of this nail polish and I'm going to cure it. Here I am applying my second coat of this beautiful nail polish, and before I cure it, I am going to actually use this tool which is called magnetic stick. I actually got it off their website as well, and you will need it to get this cat eye result. You want to hold this magnetic stick and you will get this awesome result. I absolutely love it. I love it. It's so pretty. It's very unique, and I actually cannot wait for my nails to grow out so I can do this, but I actually wanted to show you guys this, so I had to do it like this. But I absolutely love the result. And once you're finished, once you're like satisfied with how this turned out, you want to go and cure it, and after that you want to come back and you want to apply your gel top coat. What I'm using is no wipe gel top coat. I'm just going to apply it over this as it's my like final step to completing this manicure, and I think it adds beautiful shine. It's super glossy, it looks very pretty, and I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think in comments. I want to hear from you, and also please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and watch some of my other videos if you haven't, and I will talk with you in my other video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.